how to change your invoice template in Odoo. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to change your invoice template in Odoo. First, we're going to click on settings, and then we're going to go up here on the users and companies, and then we're going to click on users. Now we're going to click on the invoice that we have created. As you can see right now, we don't have much options to change over here. We could only change the invoicing, administration rights, the different preferences, and account security. To be able to customize your Odoo, you would need to go to Google and search custom field Odoo invoice, and then you're going to click on the first link, and then you are going to be redirected to this page. You're going to have to buy this plugin for $30.78. And after buying this, you would be able to create a custom field. As you can see here in their image, you would be able to customize and change the invoice template of your Odoo. That's it guys, thanks for watching.